Hello everyone, this is the Cardano Coder, aka Christian, and today I wanted to briefly go over the new NFT token on MELD and their staking as well. So quickly, if you're not familiar with MELD, it's a banking protocol on Cardano, and they're basically just trying to get the basic banking features, except decentralized through Cardano. So they do loans, they do staking, you can see all these other things. But that's not really what this video is about. So the first thing I want to go over is their NFT. So basically, in a few weeks, I'm guessing, MELD is going to release their Bank Manager NFT, and what this NFT does is it gives you extra rewards on top of your staking. So when you're staking MELD, instead of getting 12%, you would get like 13% with the Evolution 1. So Evolution 1 gives you 1%, Evolution 2, 2%, 3, 3%, and so on. And how you get these Bank Manager NFTs is once they release it, you'll send ADA to some address, and then they'll send you the NFT back. And to be able to get the NFT, you would have had to stake in the ISPO. So if you didn't do that, it's fine. You'll be able to purchase it through an NFT marketplace. But since I staked in the ISPO, I'll be able to do that. And then for Evolution, I'm guessing to evolve from like 1 to 2 to 3, it'll either be based on when you stake the NFT, because I'm guessing you'll be able to stake the NFT, or depending on how many epochs you staked for, they'll give you a higher tier NFT. Okay, so going on to actually the app, if you press app, you'll get to this. You want to connect your wallet. Right now, only Nami Wallet works with it, but they're adding integration to CC Vault. So if you want to wait on that, you could. I'm guessing they'll add that in the next few weeks. And then obviously, if you don't have any MELD, you'd have to buy it through something like Sunday Swap or Muesli Swap. But to actually stake it, so you have 3 options to stake. So there's the 6-month stake and the 12-month stake. This 12-month stake will have higher rewards, but you'll have to hold it there for longer. And then they're also adding the flex stake pool. This will be something that you'll only have to lock up your MELD for maybe a month, or maybe you'll be able to instantly withdraw it. But since I don't really care too much about the short term, I'm going to stake for 12 months. So if I go here, I'll just stake all of it, because why not? I'm guessing that's rounded up, so I'll do that. And then I'll continue. Okay, it says transaction failed. Okay. This is another thing. So Nami, you'll have to enable collateral, I guess. And this you'll have to do in settings, okay, collateral. All right, so you have to enter your fee. Okay, and pay fee. So I'll just enter in my password quick. Okay, password is wrong. That is interesting. Okay, that worked. Collateral added. So it looks like you add collateral, and then you can always withdraw the collateral. So that should be fine for now. You can close out of that, and then I'll try again. All right, so that worked. And you can see here there's going to be a 2.5 transaction fee, but 50% or 15% APY will be pretty strong, especially if the price goes up from where it is now. So I need a sign here. Enter my password again. All right. Transaction failed to submit object to object. All right. I don't know why it failed, but that's going to be the general process. I'm guessing it's because the load right now is pretty high in Cardano. So if you want to stake, you could just do that, and I'll try to do this in my own time, I guess. Yeah, but that's basically it. If you enjoyed, please leave a comment, and maybe video you'd like to see next, but hopefully this works here. I'll try one more time. And okay, transaction failed. So yeah, maybe there's too many people staking right now, but that's going to be the general way how to do it. So yeah, thanks for watching.